You can do a backflip, okay? How to do a backflip, okay? How to do a backflip on the ground. It honestly just takes very, very much confidence. I bet you like 85% of it's confidence. Like you have to be in decent shape, but um, just realize that it's so much about your mental state, like how confident you are. And one word, commit. Just commit and you'll be fine. Um, a lot of people think backflips are so hard or whatever, but they're really not. They're really not. It's just like about committing and realizing that it's all mental. Like you can do a backflip. Like you can. I want to give you that encouragement. If you're struggling to do it, just try it on a mattress and then on a trampoline. On a trampoline first, then a mattress, then on ground, and get a spotter and just commit. And then just take those two couple days to just learn a backflip, and you'll be glad you did. I believe in you. You can do it. God bless.